Freelancing is a form of self-employment. It's where you offer services for a fee. The unique thing about freelancing is that it gives you control over when you work and who you work for. And since you don't work exclusively for any specific company, you have the freedom to live anywhere with a reliable internet connection. As a freelancer, your main objective is to deliver high-quality services on time. To get started, you'll need determination, a marketable service, and self-motivation. Another important aspect of freelancing is customer service. When you're a freelancer, your customers are your boss, so they can make or break your freelancing business. Freelancing is not for everyone, but for some, working as a freelancer and striving to build a successful business could lead to a much more satisfying and lucrative work life.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.